Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably or lie down if that feels better. Gently close your eyes. Allow your body to soften. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhaling fully. Again, inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, cleansing air. And release, letting go of any tension in your shoulders, neck, and jaw. With each breath, feel your awareness dropping out of your mind and into your body. Feel your heartbeat. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Feel your presence in this moment. Now, imagine yourself standing in a serene, glowing space. The air is warm and safe. In front of you stands the old version of you, the one who carried all the weight of your past, the fears, the doubts, the survival patterns. Take a moment to really see her. Notice her expression, her posture, the way she holds herself. Notice the emotions she carries, the burdens, the stories, the struggles she has endured. Between you and her, you see cords of energy, threads connecting you both. Some are thick and heavy, others are fine and delicate. They may connect at your heart, your mind, your solar plexus, or even at your feet. You know these cords are the ties to the old patterns, beliefs, and wounds that no longer serve your highest self. Now, look into her eyes with love and compassion. Say to her with deep sincerity, "Thank you for all you've survived. I no longer need you. I'm safe now." She smiles, or perhaps she sheds a tear, knowing her work is complete. In your hands, a beautiful pair of golden scissors appears, shimmering with light. One by one, begin to cut each cord. With every snip, feel the weight lifting. With every release, feel your energy returning to you. As the final cord is cut, watch as the old version of you begins to glow. She transforms into pure light and slowly dissolves into the infinite, leaving only love behind. Now, turn your attention inward. Feel the space where the cords once were. See those spaces instantly filled with radiant golden light, sealing and restoring your energy. Place your hand over your heart and say, "I now embody the version of me who is whole, wealthy, and free." Breathe this in. Feel the truth of it in your body. Feel your shoulders drop, your heart expand, and your energy rise. Allow yourself to sit in this new frequency for as long as you wish, knowing you have crossed into a new timeline. You are no longer tethered to who you once were. You are free. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Take one final, deep breath and open your eyes, stepping fully into your new self.